Hello, my dear students. How are you? I'm your English teacher, Shipra Agrawal. And today, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you the chapter number 1 of your first flight book. And the name of the chapter is A Letter to God. And this chapter is written by G.I. Fuentes. As the name of the chapter is saying, this chapter will tell you about the faith of a man who having the faith in God. So he has written a letter to God when he faced difficulties in life. So let's begin the story. Lancho was a farmer. He had the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers. In the picture, you can notice here is a man. The name of the main character of this story is Lancho. He was a farmer and he was very happy when he saw his ripe corn field. He hoped for a downpour or at least a shower. Downpour means the rain, heavy rain he was expecting, the shower of rain he was expecting for his good crop. And he was very happy because his crop was almost ready. Only one thing it was needed, that was a shower of rain. He was happy to see huge mountains of cloud, and today Lancho was very happy because he saw in the sky the dark clouds. So today he was expecting the rain. But suddenly strong wind began to blow with the large hailstone. But that happiness of Lancho was for a very short time, because suddenly the strong wind started blowing, and that strong wind in the form of rain, first of all it started, but suddenly that raindrop changed into hailstones. The hail rained for an hour, and those hailstones in the form of rain continuously fallen down on the ground for 1 hour, and the field was white as if covered with salt, and his whole cornfield was turned into a white field as if it was covered with the stones of salt. And now you can understand his complete cornfield was destroyed. And student, it is very easy to understand, because this is not only the condition of Lancho, this is the general condition of the farmers of the India. And we mostly the people of the Navodaya Vidyalaya belong to the farmers family. So such type of problem you can understand very well. So such type of problem, difficulty came in Lancho's life. His all happiness was now his all happiness now turned into the despair of life. The corn was totally destroyed. His complete cornfield was destroyed. The hail has left nothing. He did not understand what to do. Now he was very tensed because his entire work, his entire crop was ruined, and now he don't know what to do. But he had a great faith on God. He decided to seek help from God. Generally, at the time of difficulty, the first person, the first man to whom we recall, that is the God. In the similar manner, Lencho has also the firm faith in God, and he also recalled God and also wanted to seek the help from the God in such a difficult time. So he decided to write a letter to God demanding 100 pesos. Pesos is the currency, just like our rupees, it is the currency. So now he decided to write a letter to God, and in that letter he demanded for 100 pesos from God. When the postman read the letter addressing to God, he could not stop himself by laughing. Now, after writing the letter, Lanjo posted that letter, and that letter reached in the hand of postman. And when postman saw the address on the letter, that letter is written on the address of God, then he started laughing bitterly, because he don't understand that how a person can have such a firm faith that the person can write a letter to God. But the postmaster, who was a fat, amiable man, decided to help Lancho. But that postmaster was a fat fellow. Amiable means amusing, or you can say a happy fellow. He decided to help Lancho, and he did not want to break the faith of Lancho on God. He collected 70 pesos from his friends' charity and he himself gave part of his salary. Anyhow, postmaster collected 70 pesos by his friends and also by the part of his money that he gave in the charity. The following Sunday, Lancho came to collect the money, but he was disappointed to find only 70 pesos. Now, what postmaster did after making the collection of 70 pesos, he kept them in an envelope and posted it on the address of Lancho. Now Lancho reached to the post office to collect his money. He was very happy to get the money and he was very confident that he will get the money. But when he opened the envelope, he was not so happy because he got only 70 pesos. But he demanded the 100 pesos, so he was not so happy. He was angry and he wrote again a letter to God demanding rest of the money. Instead of that, Lancho got angry and he wrote another letter to God, and in this letter he demanding the rest of 30 pesos from God. He also wrote that the God should not send the money through the post office because what he believed that the post office employees are bunch of crooks. Crooks means criminals, cheaters. And now in the next letter of his, Lancho also said to God, "Oh God, don't send me money by post office because post office employees are cheaters. Those people stolen my money, so send me money by some other way." So this is the complete story of this chapter and I hope that you understand the complete chapter. And now here are some words for your pronunciation drill. Supper, supper is the dinner. Pleasure, huge, entire, height. Rhyming word is supper, upper, duffer, pleasure, leisure, measure, treasure, huge, refuge, entire, satire, retire, umpire, height, flight, slight, plight, light. Now here are some word meaning. Intimately, it means closely, and in the first picture you can see the close relationship of two friends. In the second picture you can also see this thing. Predicted, predicted means foretold, मतलब भविष्यवाणी जो कि पहले ही बताई जाए. Just like in the second picture you can notice here. Approaching means coming nearer. Crest means top part of a hill. Dotted means spotted. Shower means mild rain. Supper means the last meal of the day. Draped means covered or wrapped. Hailstones, the frozen mass of ice, जिसको कि हम ओले भी बोलते हैं. Plague, a disease. Solitary, it means lonely. An ox of a man, it means hard-working man. Amiable means friendly, amusing creature. Correspondence means the exchange of letters. Resolution means from decision. Wrinkling means folds of skin. Affixed means glued. Bunch of crooks means group of dishonest people. Now this is the sample of money order, and in this money order the Lancho received the money from the post office. Cottage at the crest of the mountain. Crest means the top part of the hill and cottage is the small house. Farmer in the cornfield, and how much happy this farmer is. But if the rain turn in the hailstone and if the rain don't came on the time, then all the happiness vanish, just like Lancho. Hailstones, you can see here the frozen ice. cornfield destroyed by the hailstone. You can see here. This is the letterbox and the Indian post office. Such type of letterbox always placed outside or sometimes inside the post office, and in these letterbox we can drop our letters. Post received by the postmaster, and from those letterbox the postmaster received the post. Postmaster opened the letter of Lencho. Delivery of post by the postmaster, and according to the address of the post, postmaster then delivered the letters to the particular person. Now this is the activity for you. Thank you so much, student. If you like this chapter and understand this chapter, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye, students.